Here's the training video for Dance of the Mountain Wind by Stephanie Simon. Okay, so we have key of G major, 1 sharp, anyway, here at the very beginning. Okay, and here at the very beginning, you're going to be up really far over the fingerboard here. Very slow bow. And the key here is going to be holding a very firm, overly firm finger so that you get a good clear stop of that note, and that way you can get vibrato on it as well. And then when you get to, let's see, what is that, to measure 6, okay, after holding for 5 measures, okay, you have to check with the bowing there what you're supposed to be doing, but it's really not going to be too hard if you're out here. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, at this rhythm here, okay? So you have a 1 and 2, 3, 4, 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 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, and then we have 4 measures of rest. Make sure you're counting those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, I emphasize that counting because don't just take and go counting to 16 because there's 4 measures of 4 beats. Okay, that's just a recipe for a problem. All right, let's start there at D. Ready? And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now, to me, this looks like this would be a good place for an up bow because you get a nice crescendo. And then here, you don't want to be crossing strings. You want to have 4, 3 set on the D string. Okay, so again, we want to have that all set. That's really easy with that on that finger.